Shabna, good evening, beta. We have more questions to discuss today, Shabna, so I'm starting, okay? Okay, I'm going to start the session now. Now look, beta, first question I'm going to solve. In a bank, principal increases in a bank, principal increases, okay, principal increases at the rate of 5% per year. Okay, so principal is increasing at a rate of 5% per year. Now after that, what they are telling, in how many years rupees 1000 double itself. In how many years rupees 1000 double itself? So the question is exactly very clear. They are asking a question that in a bank principal increases. So now let the principal be B. Now the word questions we are going to solve. Where are the rest of my children today? Only Sarvana, you joined. What about others? What is going on here? Can I give you holiday today? Enjoy. Good evening, Mesh. Where were you? I'm starting the class today. Very important question session I'm going to keep. See. Okay, we'll start. Now look here. The question is, in a bank, principal increases at a rate of 5% per annum. So now per year, per annum, per year. Okay, now they are asking another question there, that in how many years 10,000 rupees, means the mean principal value, will exactly double itself. So first we have to see that the principal is exactly increasing with time. Principal is increasing with time. So what we are going to do? We are going to take, let P be the principal. Okay, let P be the principal. Only Mesh, you only let. What about other? What about other? At any time t. Okay, let P be the principal at any time t. Now the principal is increasing 5%. Okay, the principal is increasing 5%. Farhana, good evening beta. Today word problems, I told I am going to teach today word problems. Be present. Okay, look here. So the principal is increasing. So they are telling that in a bank, principal is increasing. Okay. Principal is increasing 5% every year. So we took principal at any time t as p. We have taken principal at any time t as p. Now principal is increasing, means rate will be coming for principal. So principal is increasing with time and the increment in principal is 5%. So 5% of p will become 5 by 100 p. So p plus 5% of p means 5 by 100 p only. So 5% increment is there in the principal. So rate of change of principal with respect to time will be 5%. Every time it is increasing how much? 5%. So now what we are going to, good evening Vishiga, today word problems doing beta. So now look here. So principal is exactly changing with time. So now if we are writing this one, so it is coming as dp by dt equal to 1 by 20p. So now we are going to solve this one. dp by p equal to dt by 20. So now we are going to integrate it. It will become log p equal to 1 by 20t plus c. So now we got this relation. You have to understand this point. That question is very simple. They are telling that the principal is increasing in a bank 5% every year. That means principal is increasing with time. So rate will be, we will put rate on time. Okay. We were going to put rate on principal. Sham, good evening beta. So we are going to put rate on principal. So we put rate on principal. After that they are telling that principal is increasing 5% every year. So 5 by 100p we have written. So here it is exactly coming how much? dp by dt is coming 1 by 20p. Now we have integrated it. After integration we got this one. So now we have to exactly check that, because in the second part of the question they are saying that in how many years principal 1000 rupees will double itself. So first work is we have to remove this log, and yesterday itself we have seen that when log will shift, it will exactly convert it into exponential. It will convert it into exponential. You have understood this point? Come on, quickly tell me. When log will shift, it will get converted into exponential. Quickly say, when log will shift, it will get converted into exponential. But problem here will be coming, like if I am going to shift log, then exponential part is going to create problem for me, because here constant is coming. So what I am going to do here is I am going to apply log on constant also. I'll explain the reason behind this. Okay, so now once I am going to shift this one, because constant, now log p minus log c will be equal to 1 by 20t is coming. So now this one will become log of p by c equal to 1 by 20t. Now this log will shift, it will become p by c is equal to e to the power t by 20. E to the power t by 20. Now I am just explaining, if I am going to put log only on this one, then it will come p equal to e to the power t by 20 plus constant. Okay, now here plus constant will come. Now this part will come as, e to the power t by 20 into e to the power c. Now exponential to the power constant. So constant is a small change. Okay, constant is a small change. Then this one will again become constant. This one will become again constant, and this constant you can denote it by k. So you can say that k into e to the power t by 20, which is as similar as this one. Both are similar. Okay, both are similar. So don't have confusion related to this point. So you can do for this step also, and I just took log in constant c. I'm explaining one more time so that you should not have confusion. First I have solved like this. In this method what I have done, I kept constant with log. This part is not with log, but constant I kept with log. Then I shifted this log this side. Now log m minus log n is log m by n. Now this log will shift, it will convert it into exponential. So that is, it is coming as e to the power t by 20 will come. This is coming p by c. Now here I have not taken constant with log. Without taking constant with log, when log will shift, it will become exponential. So it will become t by 20 plus c. Now we know that a to the power x plus y can also be written as a to the power x into a to the power y. Okay. So here it will become e to the power t by 20 into e to the power c. Now e to the power c is a constant. Okay. That means instead of writing e to the power c, we can explain this constant as k. We can explain this constant as k. So p by k equal to e to the power t by 20, which is as similar as this one. I hope now you might have understood this point. You have understood this point that they both are same. You can play by any one of the method. Okay. So now we are going but here problem is, so we are going to take this as equation 1. Once we have taken this as equation 1, come on, quickly tell me you have understood this point. Now they are telling that the principal when 1000 rupees. So bank is telling that you give me money, means principal amount is there, that principal is exactly increasing 5% every year. Now you said that if principal is p, then it is increasing 5% every year. But if principal will become 1000 rupees at the beginning, principal means at the starting point, if principal is 1000 rupees, when time will be 0, means at the starting case, means today I am taking principal 1000 rupees, then at what time principal will double itself? At what time principal will double itself? This is the basic question here. Okay. So till now we got an equation. Now here in this part of the equation, we have to get the time when the principal is exactly going to double itself. This is the question only. So starting point when principal is exactly 1000, time is exactly here 0. Time is exactly 0, because today itself I have exactly 1000 rupees, then today itself it will not double now, it will take some time. So today time is 0 because I am starting from 0 time. So when you are going to deposit money in bank, same day bank will not give you interest now. They will give interest on the principal which money you are going to keep there. So the day you are giving, that day is 0. Okay, that means the starting day time will be 0. So when principal will be 1000 rupees and starting time is coming 0, then we are going to substitute this here in this equation. Then what will happen? Principal is 1000 rupees and c is here and e to the power 0 by 20. So what will be coming? So 1000 equal to c. So your constant is coming as 1000. So this equation 1 will be written as p equal to 1000, because no need to write c value now. No need to write c. We have c value and e to the power t by 20. But they are telling that when principal will double itself at what time? So let the time be t1 when principal will become 2000 rupees. How many years? Time is t1 because we don't know exactly how many years it will be. So we are going to write principal as 2000. C is already 1000. Now e to the power t1 by 20 is there. So now this and this will get cancelled. Directly you can shift there and cancel also. So now it is coming as 2 equal to e to the power t1 by 20. Now it's time to shift this exponential there. So it is going to come as log 2 equal to t1 by 20. So now t1 will go there and 20 log 2 equal to t1. So after these many years, principal will exactly going to double. So after how many years the principal will double? After these many years. So time is 20 log e2 years, principal will double. This is a very typical question. I want my children to understand the question part by part. This is a very important question, already asked question, very old question. So I want you to just think about it and then execute the plan. The question is very easy. I'm again explaining the question. They're telling that the bank is exactly increasing the principal 5% every year. Okay, so since principal is increasing with time, so dp by dt equal to 5% increment, so 5 by 100 into p. So now dp by dt is coming, we integrated it, we got an equation. After getting the equation, I told you why log c I applied. I have informed that also. So after getting it, so now bank is telling that today I went for depositing 1000 rupees and I'm going to ask from the banker, hey, today I deposited 1000 rupees. When I'm going to get double, when my interest is 5, when principal is increasing 5%, so 5% per annum, then when I am going to get 2000 rupees, the banker will look at me and calculate and say, after these many years you come, I will give you 2000 rupees. After these many years you come, I will give you 2000 rupees. So seriously, by seeing this, I will take my money back. I'm just joking. So this much is the year after that, they will give me 2000 rupees. Jokes apart, this is exactly the way to solve. Then you have to do only one thing, beta. You have to see log 2 table, and then after seeing log 2 table, you have to just multiply it with 20. After that many years, you have to go to take your 2000 rupees. I hope you understood this question. Come on, tell me, understood this question? Shall we go for another word problem? Just give me quickly, say that understood, auntie. If any doubt is there anywhere. So I just did nothing. After finding C, I got the new equation, and after that my main concept was, yes Sarvana, this is the thing. Normal admi means normal person, when that person will go and the banker will say 20 log 2 years after that you come, means 100%. By seeing this one, I'll say that better I will keep this money with me. I will go and buy some fruit or something. Okay, so this is the concept here. Fine. So we are going to go for the next question. The next question is find the equation of the curve. Get ready for a very important question. Find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point passing through the point 0, minus 2, given that at any point x, y on curve, the product of the slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point is equal to x coordinate. By seeing the question now, first you will have a type of thinking, what type of question this is. So that's why I told everyone to be present today. Today all stupid questions we are going to discuss. Exactly, this is not a stupid question. This is a very brainy question. Solving is the easiest one in this. Just cracking the content is most important. So first we will go point by point to understand the thing. Now here general family of curve will come, but I am not going to talk about general family of curve. First we are going to understand what is given in the question. Find the equation of a curve. We have to find the equation of a curve. Let us take the curve. Passing through the point 0, 2. So 0, 2 is a point present on the curve, given that any point. So one more point is present here, that is x, y. On the curve, Now this point is having tangent. This point is exactly having tangent. They are telling that this point is exactly having tangent, or the tangent point for this, they are telling that the product of the slope of its tangent. Slope of its tangent. What is the slope of a tangent? Slope of a tangent is dy by dx. What is the slope of a tangent? Slope of a tangent is dy by dx. I am again repeating the content so that there should be no confusion here. See, one curve is there. On that curve, one point is given. Now, another point is also given, but that point is having a tangent. Then what will be the slope of that tangent? The slope of that tangent line, you know that tangent line will be this line. So the slope of this tangent will be dy by dx beta. So now they are telling that the product of slope of tangent, product means multiplication. The product of slope of tangent and y coordinate. Y coordinates means y. Y coordinate means y is equal to x. This is only given. Think. This question was looking so difficult to crack, but exactly the statement wise, once we draw the curve, the things became easy to understand. Slope of the tangent. This tangent slope is dy by dx. Product of slope of tangent with y coordinate. Y coordinate means y. So y into dy by dx. Y coordinate of this point is y. X coordinate of this point is x. So product of slope of the tangent with y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point. So the point y coordinate is y. The point x coordinate is x. Only this much beta. So now what you have to do? You have to solve this question. So now I know you will be able to handle the question. So y dy will be equal to x dx. Come on, will you be able to handle this question? So now you will say that auntie, only we have to put integration here. I am getting auntie y square by 2 equal to x square by 2 plus c. Very well said. Okay. So beta, what you got here? You got exactly family of curve. Now here not only one curve. This differential equation is not representing only one curve beta. It is representing family of curve. Many curves will be there. So this is exactly the general differential equation. What differential equation you got is general differential equation, because there may be many curve passing through this point xy. Many curve passing through this point xy, and many curve will have slope dy by dx. But from this family of curve, we have to take that curve in which this point 0, -2 will be there, because that will be the specific curve. Okay, that will be the specific curve. Come on, quickly tell me, did you understood this point? I need to know this, that you have understood or not. Come on, quickly tell me, because without asking from you, I am not going to move for 1 minute also from here, because these are very, very typical things. You have to understand these points, otherwise in examination mistakes will come. So that means beta, many curves will be there in that x comma y point will be there. But the point where, the curve where both these points are present, the curve where this point and xy both will be present, that curve will be one. Okay, so that means this equation will be satisfied by that curve which will have this point. So now let's suppose put this point. So now we are going to put this point here, this point. So since this is representing family of curve of differential equation, this will represent the family of curve of differential equation, but the one which will have this point, the curve which will have this point will satisfy this equation. So now we are going to substitute y value as -2 square equal to x is coming 0 square plus 2c. So it is going to come 4 equal to 2c. So c will be equal to 2. So the curve which will have this point and xy, that curve equation will be y square equal to x square plus 4. This is family of curves of differential equation. This is that curve which will have 0 comma minus 2 point and xy coordinate both. Mesh, Sarvana, Vishiga, everyone, come on, quickly tell me, did you understood this one? I'm not going to stop myself here. I'm really wanting all of you to tell me that you have understood or not here. Because next question will be like this only, roller coaster. Next question will be like this only, beta, roller coaster. So I need everyone. Understood na, Vishu? Sir Shyam, Farhana, beta, quickly tell me, because these are roller coaster questions, and we need to understand the questions very nicely. Okay, now we will go for next question, Vishu. Question is, now try to solve this question, otherwise I will solve. At any point x comma y of a curve, the slope of the tangent is the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4 comma minus 3. Find the equation of the curve given that it passes through. Find the equation of the curve given that it passes through minus 2 comma 1. It's really an awesome question. I really want you to try this question out. I am not in hurry. I will explain this point very thoroughly. Okay, so let's see what is exactly given in the question. Beta, one by one we are going to do dissection of this question. At any point xy of the curve. So curve is there, in that at any point xy is there, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point this one. The line segment joining the point of contact to the point. Okay, find the equation of the curve. So first important point is, you have to understand very nicely. Any point is given on the curve. Now tangent is there passing through the curve. But slope of tangent. So what will be the slope of tangent? If this is the tangent, then slope of tangent is dy by dx, beta. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Now they are telling that slope of tangent is twice the slope of the line segment. So this is the line segment. First we have to find the slope of line segment. After that we will do any other work. How to get the slope of line segment? So this is line segment. AB is the line segment. The point A is x comma y, and this is exactly the point. Now they are telling that find the equation of the given curve that is passes through. Now they have added one extra fitting there, that you first have to find the family of curve. Now after getting the family of curve of differential equation, you have to find that particular curve in which this point minus 2 comma 1 will be there. So basically this point we are going to use to get the constant value. Keep that in your brain frame. But first work what we have to do here is, beta, our first priority is to first get the slope of line segment. What will be the slope of line segment AB? What will be the slope of line segment? You know how to get the slope of? So when 2 points are given, x1, y1, x2, y2, how to get the slope of this? Then you are showing, auntie, formula is there na? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to slope. So this is exactly the simplest way, auntie. When 2 points will be given, then y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to slope of the line. So here, auntie, 2 points are given, x comma y, and here minus 4, minus 3 point is given. So what will be the slope of line segment AB, auntie? It is very easy. We will write slope of line segment will be y minus 3 minus y by minus 4 minus x equal to slope of line segment AB. Okay, take minus common, y plus 3, x plus 4, cancel. This is equal to slope of line segment. So now we got slope of line segment. Now slope of tangent. The curve is having one tangent line. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Now they are telling the story. They are saying that the slope of tangent of a line, the slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of line segment is this much. Now they are telling that slope of tangent is 2 times slope of line segment AB. Now you have all the values. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. Slope of line segment is y plus 3, x plus 4. Come on, tell me, understood? So this was the cracking point. Once you will get till here, means you will be able to solve the question without wasting energy. Okay, without wasting energy, you will be able to solve this question very nicely. So now we are going to write dy by y plus 3 equal to dx x plus 4. And here 2 will be there. Come on, quickly tell me, beta, understood how to go for these questions? Once you will crack this statement now, the question is nothing. So statement cracking is only the work. So you should know what is the slope of line segment. Then only see, nothing was there. Once we understood the concept, we are able to solve this question in no time. Okay, next concept, but here you have to solve it up. So now this one will become log of y plus 3 equal to 2 log of x plus 1 plus log c, beta. So now we can write it as log of y plus 3 minus log c equal to 2 will go up. So log of x plus 1 whole square. So it will become log of y plus 3 by c log equal to log of x plus 1 whole square. So now only one work, log and log got cancelled. Now you got family of curve. The family of curve is going to come as this one, that is y plus 3 equal to x plus 1 whole square, c will be there, and this is exactly family of curve. Now beta, many curves will be there. Many curves will be there which will have tangent, which will have connectivity, but problem. So this is exactly coming as family of curves of differential equation. Family of curve of differential equation. But problem here is you have to take that curve where this point is present. Which point is present? Minus 2 comma 1. So the curve where this point will be there, that only will satisfy. Okay. So now since this point is present, the curve is having this point. So from family of all the curve, we are going to pick that curve where the point given is minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1 only na. Minus 2 comma 1. So x will be coming as minus 2. Y will be coming as 1. So now 1 plus 3 equal to C minus 2 plus 1 whole square 4 equal to C. So C is coming as 4. So solved. So the specific curve coming for you is the curve which will have that point xy, the curve which will have that point xy from which the tangent is drawn, and the curve which will be exactly connected to this and will have this point minus 2 comma 1. That specific curve equation is y plus 3 equal to 4 x plus 1 whole square. This is that supernova curve. C equal to 4 coming. Come on, tell me, beta, understood these type of questions? First tell me, are you understanding these type of questions? Understanding these type of questions? So only today I told I have to discuss these type of questions very nicely. Okay now? Understood now? Now we are going to go for another question like this. Because if accidentally also they will give this question, this type of question in case studies, so you will easily come out from there. That is my concept right now. Now next question is, find the equation. Find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve through the point. Right now, Mahesh, we just started. Offline class means tomorrow itself I am going to keep one offline class for you if all will be interested to come. Find the equation of the curve through the point 1 comma 0, through the point 1 comma 0, if the slope of the tangent, if the slope of the tangent, if the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is solve this. Solve it, solve it, solve it. This question try, because this question is easy. If you will pick the words very nicely, you will be exactly able to frame the point. You can be able to frame the point. This question is exactly easy, beta. Okay, okay. No problem. Next week I will keep, because some cough and cold for me still there. So I was also thinking next week, no problem. From next week we can start, no problem. No problem. Till then we will at least start vectors and we will finish vectors also. Fine. How differential equation class is going on? Are you finding differential equation interesting? May as well, this class is boring. I'll make it interesting, don't worry. Find the equation of the curve through the point. So one curve is there, because this type of question is important. Okay, c is coming as pi by 4. How c is coming as pi by 4? Now look here beta. Now understand this. The equation of the curve, see, if you will understand the question, it will become very easy beta. Now understand, find the equation of the curve through the point. So one curve is there and through the point 1, 0, if the slope of the tangent, so slope of the tangent is at any point. So at any point slope of the tangent is given. Slope of the tangent dy by dx is at any point on the curve is this. So slope of the tangent is fixed here. That is y minus 1 by x square plus x. So this is given here, nothing you have to do. So they told that slope of the tangent at any point on the curve, means wherever you will go in the curve, the slope of the tangent will be this only. Then duty is to solve only. So now what you are going to get here is, it is coming as y minus 1 dx by x square plus x is coming. Dx by x square plus x is coming. Come on, tell me, dx by x square plus x will be coming. So now we are exactly going to convert this as So now first work is, we will be writing it as, we will put integration on both sides. Now this part will be written as dy by y minus 1 equal to dx x by x plus 1 is coming. So now we will solve this one separately, because partial fraction is coming. So this part will be written as a by x plus b by x plus 1. So 1 by x plus 1 equal to ax plus 1 plus bx by x plus 1. So now it will become 1 is equal to a x plus 1 plus bx. Now when x will be equal to 0, then a will be equal to 1. So take this as equation 1. And now we have to substitute the value in this equation. So now when a will be exactly, so now when x will be equal to 1, then it will become 2a plus b, and a value is 1. So 1 minus 2 equal to b. So b is coming as minus 1. So now we are going to substitute this value in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. If you will not focus in these type of questions and these questions will come, then it will be a big problem for me. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Then beta directly this one will become log of y minus 1 equal to log of x minus log of x plus 1 plus log of c. So constant also I have taken log. Shift this one that side. So now this one will come log of y minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 equal to log x plus log c. So it is going to come as y minus 1 x plus 1 log is equal to log of cx. So now log gone. So family of curve is coming as this one. This is exactly coming as family of curve. But we are talking about that curve which will have the point 1, 0. We are going to talk about, so family of differential equation, family of curve for differential equation, family of curve for differential equation, family of curve for differential equation is coming this, but we have to take that curve in which the point is given as 1, 0. The point is given as 1, 0. So just substitute that one. X is 1, y is 0. So minus 1, and here x is 1, y is 0. So 1 plus 1 equal to c. That means c is coming as minus 2. So now family of curve, from family of curve to the specific curve, it is coming as minus 2x. So this will become the equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. This will become absolute. Hey Mahesh, you told it is boring, and see answer there you are solving before me. Playing, huh? Now I am going to make it interesting now itself. Now look here. Now we are going to do some very special questions of variable separable method. Special questions of variable separable method. Now look here. Special questions for variable separable method is sine inverse dy by dx equal to x plus y. Now when this type of question will be given, what you are going to do, because sine inverse dy by dx equal to x plus y will be given. Now at that particular moment, if this type of questions will be given, what we are going to do? We are going to sit back and we are going to think about now what next, or we are going to try something. So now what we are going to do here is, what we are going to do here is, we will shift this sine inverse that side. So it will become dy by dx equal to sine of x plus y. Now tell me what to do, Mahesh. Tell me everyone what to do, because now I am getting sine of x plus y. So since I am getting sine of x plus y, what should I do now? Sine of x plus y once we got, what should I do now? We got sine of x plus y. Now after getting sine of x plus y, what should I do now? No, for that is going for homogeneous. That is going for homogeneous. That is going for homogeneous. I am not going to go for this. Is not homogeneous. Expand. Rather than expansion, shall we do this? X plus y equal to v. Let x plus y equal to v. Take this as equation 1. Take x plus y is equal to v. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So this will become 1. Differentiation of this with respect to x means this will become 1. This will become dy by dx and this will become dv by dx. Okay. So now dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus 1. Come on. dy by dx equal to dv by dx equal to 1. So dy by dx is coming as dv by dx equal to minus 1. Now we are going to substitute this in equation 1. So substituting everything. So dy by dx is nothing but dv by dx minus 1, and this side, since x plus y equal to v, it will become sine v. Now shift this one that side. So dv by dx equal to 1 plus sine v. So dv by, yes or no? Come on, quickly tell me first you have understood this point or not. So I am not going to expand. So I am coming as 1 plus sine v here equal to dx. Now put integration sign both side. These questions are super special questions. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We have to solve this. So now this part I am going to write dv by 1 plus sine v is there. So I should do something so that I can get some values. So I am going to write it as 1 minus sine v by 1 minus sine v dv. So dv is already there equal to dx. So 1 minus sine v by 1 minus sine square v dv equal to dx. So now again I am going to play with it. So I rationalize it. So now after rationalization, what I am going to do is 1 minus sine v, I am keeping it as it is, but 1 minus sine square v got converted into cos square v dv equal to dx. So now next point what we are going to get here is, 1 by cos square v dv minus sin v by cos square v dv equal to dx. So now this is coming as secant square v dv minus tan v secant v dv equal to dx. It is going to give us tan v minus secant v equal to x plus c. What is v? V is nothing but x plus y. Enjoyed the roller coaster here? Mahesh, interest returned back or not? Tell me quickly. Interest returned back? Yes, absolute correct answer. Interest returned back or not? Yes, absolutely correct. I am going to give you another question, Come on. Came back. So now solve one more question. Come on, everyone try this question out. Everyone try this question out. dy by dx equal to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Enjoy. 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Enjoy, enjoy. You will definitely like the question. Try this. It's your question now. I'm going to solve the question. Wait. Okay. Can I solve? Now I'm going to take it as let 4x plus y plus 1 equal to v. In this type of question, don't take y is equal to vx or something. Just directly take 4x plus y plus 1 equal to v. When you will take differentiate it with respect to x, it will come 4 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to dv by dx minus 4. Now you have taken this as equation 1, substitute everything there. So now your equation will be exactly going to come as, so dy by dx will be written as dv by dx minus 4 equal to v square. Shift this one that side, it will come dv by dx equal to v square plus 4. Now shift this one, dv by v square plus 4 equal to dx. Hey, that was very good. That was very quick, super. So now look here. Now you have to put integration here. So now dv by v square plus 2 square equal to dx beta. So now here you have to see one thing. It will come as tan square, tan inverse v by 2 equal to x plus c. Now tan inverse v. And what is v for you? Tan inverse x plus c is coming. So tan inverse 4x plus y plus 1 equal to x plus c. X plus c. So now this part is coming x plus c. Yeah. Half tan inverse. Did I miss anything? Okay, understood. 1 by 2, 1 by a will come, na? Thank you. Harish, that is what? Correct only. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Correct. Super. So I'm going to keep it till here. Okay. Enjoy. Tomorrow we are going to have interesting class. We will have like these type of questions tomorrow again. So tomorrow we will be talk about homogeneity. We are going to talk about homogeneous equation. But before homogeneous equation, like this, some roller coaster questions we are going to solve. Okay. So I'm just keeping it till here, beta. Good night, everyone. Bye.